Okay, we have ABCD is a parallelogram. Find the area of triangle EIK. So we are given this. The diagram looks complicated, but it's very, very simple. Before I will go over to this question, let me teach you something that will help us to solve this. Okay, this is the same thing as what we are given, but I just separated it into two diagrams, as you can see. This is our DEF, this, as you can see, Y, the other one, BGC, as you can see, BGC. Okay, remember this is a parallelogram, and we know that parallelogram, the area is base times height. The area is base times height. So let's look at triangle, the sum of the areas of triangle EDF and BFC. So let's call this A1, A2. If the length here is A and this is B, meaning for this side the total length is A plus B, and if the height of the parallelogram is H, we now see that area of the sum of these two areas. So we now see that A1 plus A2, you know that triangle, and triangle, the area is half base times height, so we have half A times H. Remember, they are drawn to the same, from the same point, see. So the two triangles will have the same height but different bases. So for A1, this is half AH plus half BH, and we can factor as half A plus B times H. Yes, half, they have common term, half H, so I can write it this way. And what do you have to say about this? This is the same thing as half. Remember, the area of this parallelogram is base times height, which is A plus B times H. So half area of the parallelogram, which is ABCD. ABCD. So that's the first thing we'll have to know. So let's go over to this diagram too. So if you call this side the length, let's call it the side length of this, maybe C, and the height okay, let's just use HC or H2. So that's our height, the base is that, the height is that. Okay, so we see that the area of this triangle BGC let's call it A3. This is A3. So we now know that A3 is, we know it's half base times height. So area is half base CH2. Yes, because the height is this. That's the height. Why the base is C. And again, remember, the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So it's also base times height. So this is also area of ABCD. So what are you going to deduce here? You now see that A1 plus A2 is equal to A3. Yes, because both of them equals half the area of the parallelogram. So that's the property we are going to use here. Likewise, in case this, if you have A, maybe 4A5, that same way, A4 plus A5 will also give us A3. So also I'm saying that A4 plus A5 will also give us A3. So let's just go over to the equation. We are given this and we are asked to find the area of this triangle EIK. So let's call it A, small letter A. So let's, okay, remember the triangle, the two triangles. Okay, let's label this. This is AB. AB, we are given this. Maybe this is C. Okay, we now see that from what I just explained, that the area, the sum of this area, this triangle and triangle. So I'm saying that area of triangle EDF plus area of triangle BFC is the same thing as area of triangle what? Triangle BGC. Yes, from what I explained from this, A1 plus A2 is equal to A3. So let's substitute the values. For this is A plus B plus 73 plus y, this is C plus 15 will be equal to 14 plus B plus C. Okay, what do you notice here? The common terms B and C. You have common term B and C, so they are gone. So we are left with A plus 73 plus 15 is 88 is equal to 14 plus 8 is 94. So do you see it? And remember, that's what we are asked to find. A is area of triangle EIK. So A is 94 minus 88, which is 6. So our answer is option A. So it's a very tricky question. Thank you.